TradingView is a popular charting platform, but it doesn't directly tell you when to buy or sell stocks, crypto, or forex. It's a powerful tool for analysis, not an automated trading advisor. Think of it as a sophisticated map and compass for navigating the markets. The platform provides a wide array of resources, including real-time data, customizable charts, and hundreds of technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD. These indicators are what traders use to form their own buy and sell decisions. For example, a trader might look for a specific crossover of two moving averages or a certain level on the Relative Strength Index, RSI, to signal a potential entry or exit point. TradingView helps you visualize these signals, but you are the one who has to interpret them and execute the trade. TradingView also offers a feature called PineScript, which allows advanced users to write their own custom indicators and strategies. You can program a script to highlight specific buy or sell conditions on your chart, or even create an alert that notifies you when those conditions are met. However, even these custom scripts are based on rules and logic you define. They are not magical or infallible predictions. In short, TradingView gives you the information and tools to make informed trading decisions, but the responsibility for those decisions and the resulting trades rests entirely with you. It empowers you to be your own analyst and strategist. It's an essential resource for developing and testing your own trading strategy, not a shortcut to instant profits. Use it to learn, practice, and refine your skills.